Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is August monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Someone is rushing towards you to communicate with you. They're in so much rush. Yeah, someone is ready to communicate with you. If you are waiting for someone, yeah, they will communicate very soon. Scorpio. So let's see your reading. 5 of Swords, recent past, 3 of Wands and 2 of Wands. I think you turn your back from your person. For some, you are in separation with your person. For some, you are in no contact situation. Yeah, because there are a lot of things going between you and your person. There is some disturbances. Maybe there are some fightings between you and your person, arguments. That's why you turn your back from your person. But you are waiting for them to reach out to you. And 2 of Wands, but you are thinking about them a lot. For some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Then present, King of Cups, 3 of Cups and Page of Cups. So they realized their mistake. Now they're coming back with an apology, Page of Cups. Maybe your person is immature. So they're ready to offer their love to you, King of Cups with 3 of Cups. They're coming back for reconciliation, Scorpio. Lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So they realize their mistake. They're coming back with an apology and they want this celebration with you. For some, there is third party situation is also involved in this connection. Then future, Queen of Swords, Ace of Pentacles and 4 of Swords. You are healing yourself. You are doing meditation a lot. Even though you are doing it, you are thinking about them. Because you invested a lot in this connection emotionally. So Scorpio, there is long-term commitment is coming. Your person want to offer long-term commitment to this connection. And there is abundance is also coming in your way. Financial stability. And you want best and you deserve best. So you want to give clarity to your person that you deserve best, you want best. If it is happen, then you will give chance to them. Otherwise, you cut them off no matter what. So, but there is commitment, long-term commitment is coming towards you. But you want to heal yourself. You started doing meditation. You are giving to your time yourself. You are taking care of yourself. It is very good. And the person involved in this connection could be air energy, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But lot of here water and fire energy and air energy. Very, very few earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Yeah, your person also undergoing some spiritual awakening. I think you both are in no contact period right now. And the person involved in this connection could be Virgo also. So Scorpio, let's see. Your person feelings towards you. What they are thinking about you. King of Pentacles, the Empress and 9 of Wands. So they want to offer stability to this connection. And the Empress, they see you as a powerful person. You stand by your power. Maybe you are guarded up right now because you are not talking to your person. And your person also thinking like that you stand by your power. You are guarded up right now. But they want to take this relationship to next level, King of Pentacles. But 10 of Wands under the deck. Maybe your person right now busy with their work. Maybe family issues. They are feeling overburdened. So let's see their actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Scorpio, your person actions towards you. Ace of Swords, Queen of Wands, and Knight of Wands, and Ten of Wands again, Four of Swords. I think they have so much baggage, so they have to heal themselves before coming towards you, because Four of Swords energy, they want healing so badly, very badly, because there are a lot of things going in your person's life right now. Still they want communicate with you. Ace of Swords, they want communication with clarity is coming, and they are very passionate about you, they are very attracted towards you, Scorpio, because Queen of Wands and King of Wands, Knight of Wands, sorry. So there is a lot of passion involved in this connection, and they are very attracted towards you, but a lot of things are going in your person's life right now. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. The Fool and Five of Cups. Yeah, they are feeling sad for the separation. Now they want rebirth in this connection, but they will approach you, but it will take some time. Right now your person is also spiritually awakening, so but they want rebirth in this connection. Scorpio, they want to take leap of faith. Lot of drama. See, you both are on the same page. Two Fools. I think you both want new start with each other. So I think you are not showing your emotions, Scorpio, but you also want new start with your person, and there is a lot of drama is going and there is separation, but you both want same thing and you both are stuck on each other. See, Fool card, Fool card. Yeah, patience, balance is the key in this connection. There will be some moment in near future. Lots of communication is coming. You both will communicate. But first, there is no balance in this connection. First, the balance should be restored. Then automatically everything will be okay. Okay, first, patience is the key here. So there is no balance. Balance first. You both want balance in this connection, and it will come, but it will take some time because there is a lot of drama going. So the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. So let's see your overall energy, Scorpio. Strength, yeah, you stand by your power. There is missed opportunity with your person. You're feeling sad, and yeah, you're feeling stuck, and you acting like defensive sometimes, and you're feeling stuck. Yeah, you both are stuck on each other. Let's see your person overall energy for the month of August. Your person overall energy. The World, some cycles are going to be end between both of you. For some, this could be long distance. Yeah, communication with apology is coming. They want success in this connection. They want to win you back again. Yeah, they're coming back. They realize you both Knight of Cups. They're coming back to offer this cup of love to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I can't let you go. Family issues, yeah, for some. Text is coming. Reconciliation, yeah, because you both are on the same page, you both want same thing. Retreat, wow. Definitely there will be reconciliation. I am afraid to tell you how I feel. Yeah, maybe for some you person feeling afraid that to come towards you. So definitely for some there are some family issues, reconciliation, retreat, and they can't let you go, and text is coming. These are the messages. So let's see some Message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Scorpio, for the month of August. Nothing is set in stone. Yeah, because right now you both are in separation, you both are undergoing spiritual awakening, so it will take some time. But you both are on the same page, you both are wishing for the same. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.